Camping with a cause. Volunteering opportunities for RV'ers. For many, the allure of RVing lies in the freedom of the open road, the beauty of uncharted landscapes, and the joy of waking up to a new adventure each day. But what if you could add an extra layer of fulfillment to your travels? Imagine merging your love for the nomadic lifestyle with the heartwarming gratification of giving back. Welcome to Camping with a Cause, where the spirit of adventure meets the joy of volunteering, creating unforgettable experiences that enrich not just your life but those around you. The heart of volunteering on wheels. The concept is simple yet profoundly impactful. Incorporate volunteering into your RV travels, offering your time, skills, and enthusiasm to causes and communities across the country. From restoring natural habitats and contributing to conservation efforts to supporting local nonprofits and community projects, the opportunities to make a difference while enjoying the RV lifestyle are boundless. Conservation efforts, guardians of nature for the eco-conscious RV'er, conservation projects offer a perfect blend of outdoor adventure and environmental stewardship. Organizations like the National Park Service and various wildlife foundations often seek volunteers for tasks ranging from trail maintenance and habitat restoration to wildlife monitoring and visitor education. Imagine spending your days amidst the breathtaking beauty of America's natural treasures, knowing you're playing a part in preserving them for future generations. Recommendation: look into the National Park Service's Volunteers in Parks program, which offers a variety of opportunities tailored to different skills, interests, and time commitments. Disaster relief. Answering the call, RV'ers are uniquely equipped to respond to disaster-stricken areas, bringing not just their manpower but their mobile homes to provide immediate aid and support. Organizations like the Red Cross and Habitat for Humanity mobilize RV volunteers for disaster response efforts, offering critical services such as first aid, shelter management, and rebuilding efforts. Recommendation: register with reputable organizations like FEMA's Community Emergency Response Team, CERT, to receive training and be on call for disaster relief efforts within your travel radius. Building communities. Hands-on helping. Lend your hands and hearts to projects that build and uplift communities, from constructing affordable housing with Habitat for Humanity to participating in local food drives or community beautification projects. Your RV can serve as your base camp as you immerse yourself in meaningful projects, building not just structures but also connections with local communities. Recommendation: Habitat for Humanity's RV Caravanas program invites RV'ers to travel to build sites, offering a unique way to explore new areas while making a tangible difference. Education and outreach. Sharing knowledge. For those with a passion for education, consider volunteering at local schools, libraries, or educational camps. Many communities welcome guest speakers, tutors, or workshop leaders to enrich their educational programs. Share your knowledge, skills, or life experiences to inspire and educate others, from teaching outdoor skills to sharing tales of your travels. Recommendation: reach out to local educational institutions or community centers ahead of your visit to offer your services as a guest educator or workshop facilitator. Wildlife rehabilitation. A call to the wild. Animal lovers can find volunteering opportunities at wildlife rehabilitation centers, animal shelters, or national wildlife refuges. These opportunities can range from hands-on care for injured wildlife to support roles like fundraising or facility maintenance. It's a chance to get up close with nature's inhabitants and contribute to their welfare and conservation. Recommendation: the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service offers volunteer programs at national wildlife refuges, perfect for those looking to contribute to wildlife conservation. Cultural preservation. Keeping traditions alive. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of America's cultural heritage by volunteering with organizations dedicated to preserving historical sites, cultural landmarks, and local traditions. This could involve anything from restoration projects and historical reenactments to guiding tours and educational programs. Recommendation: explore opportunities with the National Trust for Historic Preservation, which often seeks volunteers for preservation projects and cultural events. How to get started. The roadmap to volunteering. 1. Identify your passion. Start by determining what causes or types of volunteer work most resonate with you. Whether it's environmental conservation, community building, or education, aligning your volunteer work with your passions ensures a fulfilling experience. 2. Research opportunities. Utilize online platforms like Volunteer Match, Idealist, or the specific volunteer pages of organizations you're interested in. Tailor your search to opportunities that welcome RV'ers and fit your travel plans. 3. Plan your route. Incorporate volunteer stops into your travel itinerary, considering the length of commitment required and any geographical preferences you have. Be sure to communicate with the organizations about your availability and any specific skills you can offer. 4. Prepare for the experience. Ensure you have any necessary tools, clothing, or training required for your chosen volunteer work. Familiarize yourself with the community or environment you'll be entering to make a smooth transition. 5. Embrace the community. Volunteering offers a unique opportunity to connect with local communities and fellow volunteers. Engage openly, share your stories, and take the time to learn from those around you. The journey of giving back, combining the RV lifestyle with volunteering, offers a rich tapestry of experiences that extend beyond the scenic vistas and campfire nights. It's about embedding your travels with purpose, leaving a positive imprint on every stop along your journey. As you navigate the highways and byways, let your journey be guided not just by the destinations you seek but by the lives you touch and the difference you make. Here's to the road ahead, where every mile is a story, and every stop, an opportunity to give back. Happy trails and heartfelt contributions await on your next adventure, where the open road meets the open heart.